In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Vercel build cache. If your builds are behaving unpredictably or you've upgraded dependencies and nothing seems to change, you might be running into cached build artifacts. Vercel caches parts of your build to speed things up, which is great most of the time, but occasionally you need a truly clean build. Let's walk through how to force Vercel to ignore the existing build cache using a single environment variable. First, head over to vercel.com and sign into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see your list of projects. Pick the project that's giving you trouble. Next to the project name, look for the three dots menu. Click that to open the quick actions and settings for this specific project. We're going to make a change that only affects this project, so you don't have to worry about impacting anything else in your account. From that menu, go to Environment Variables. This is where Vercel reads configuration that's injected at build and runtime. We'll use it to tell the build system to skip using any cached output. Click Add Environment Variable. You'll see fields for the key and the value, and options for which environments it should apply to, like production or preview. If you only need to clear the cache for certain deploys, choose those environments accordingly. Most people apply this to preview and production when troubleshooting. In the key field, type Vercel force and no build cache, exactly as shown. This is a special flag that Vercel recognizes. When present, it instructs the platform to bypass the stored cache for this project's builds, ensuring everything is rebuilt from scratch. For the value, enter 1. The content itself isn't important. Any non-empty value works, but 1 is a simple, conventional choice and makes it clear that the flag is enabled. Now click Save. That's it. The new variable is stored, and on the next build in the environments you selected, Vercel will ignore the previous cache and perform a clean build. This is especially helpful after major library updates, framework changes, or when stale artifacts cause unexpected behavior. A quick note, disabling the cache can increase build times because everything gets recompiled and re-downloaded. Use this approach when you need to verify a clean build or resolve caching inconsistencies. Once you've confirmed things are working as expected, remember that normal caching is beneficial for speed and efficiency. You now know how to clear the Vercel build cache safely and precisely for a project. Thanks for watching, and happy